Hi, Mackenzie. This is a good start, and you have some really good writing here. You have a very smooth, clear writing style. Now, there are some definite areas that you need to work on, and the biggest is your claim. So if you look at what you have in your claim, you kind of do exactly what I ask you not to do. And so what I want to urge you to do is get out the claim materials, the lecture on literary device paragraphs, and in particular the one-page printout with the sample paragraph and the rubric. Because I say in there, we don't want a claim that describes what Twain does. We want a claim that tells us what Twain's position is. So we don't really know what Twain's position here is. For example, what do you mean when you say Twain is affirming the high standing of the nobles? The question is, what is Twain saying about class? And to answer that by saying he's affirming the high status of the nobles, I'm not sure I understand what that means. Does Twain think class is a good thing or a bad thing? Does he depict the nobility this way to endorse and support the aristocratic class system, or is he questioning and challenging it? Because you don't answer that question in your claim, your discussion of the imagery and other literary techniques that you encounter, talk about imagery, talk about symbolism, among others, is fuzzy because we don't really know why you're talking about these things. Does the imagery support claim criticizing the class system? Or does the imagery support claim Twain endorsing the class system? When you get down to the bottom, you say some interesting things. You say Twain makes a repetitive quip about rank, which allows for more insight into the structure of the class system. Well, what is that insight? And we're not really looking for insight as much as an argument. Remember, Twain is a social critic. He's either endorsing or questioning, celebrating or critiquing. And you want to get at that drive. And when you can figure out that focus, all of your body paragraphs will be stronger because your language analysis can then be marshaled to support that. How does this image support Twain's critique of class? How does this symbol support Twain's endorsement of this class model, etc.? Hope that helps.